Touch controls on Sony WF earbuds, such as the WF-1000 XM3, XM4, XM5, and XM6, can stop working due to several common causes. These issues often stem from software bugs, hardware wear, or environmental factors like moisture. While newer models have seen improvements, older earbuds are still prone to these problems. Let's troubleshoot to get them working again. Outdated firmware is a major cause of touch control issues in Sony WF earbuds. Use the Sony Headphones Connect app to check for updates. Sony releases updates to address touch sensitivity and other bugs. For example, firmware version 4.2.1 for the WF-1000 XM5 and XM6 improved touch responsiveness in noisy environments. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed as well. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone, connect your Sony WF earbuds via Bluetooth, go to Settings and check for firmware updates. Install any available updates. Ensure the app itself is updated to the latest version. Dirt, oil, and sweat can interfere with the capacitive touch sensors on your Sony WF earbuds. These sensors are located on the stems and detect your touch to control playback, volume, and calls. Cleaning them properly can restore functionality. Start by gently wiping the earbud stems with a soft, dry cloth. This removes loose dirt and oils without damaging the sensors. For tougher residue like dried sweat, slightly dampen the cloth with isopropyl alcohol. This helps dissolve stubborn buildup without harming the sensors. Be careful to avoid getting any moisture inside the earbuds, as this could damage the internal electronics. Finally, let the earbuds dry completely before use. This may take up to 24 hours to ensure all moisture has evaporated and the sensors are fully functional. A factory reset can clear corrupted data and restore default settings on your Sony WF earbuds. This process often resolves unresponsive touch controls by resetting the device to its original state. To perform a factory reset, press and hold both earbuds simultaneously for about 7 seconds. This duration is crucial. Make sure you hold them long enough. Continue holding until you see the indicator light flash. This visual cue confirms that the reset process has begun, and the earbuds are clearing their memory. After the reset completes, you will need to repair your earbuds with your device through the Bluetooth settings. This establishes a fresh connection. Keep in mind that performing a factory reset will erase any custom equalizer settings or other personalizations you have configured. The touch controls should now respond properly. The Sony Headphones Connect app includes a built-in diagnostics tool to check your earbuds' sensor health. This tool can help identify potential hardware issues with the touch controls. To use the diagnostics tool, first open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your smartphone. Navigate to the diagnostics section within the app. Run the sensor health scan. The app will test the touch controls and sensors. Check the results of the scan. If the test passes, your sensors are functioning properly. If it fails, this indicates a deeper hardware problem that might require professional repair or replacement. Bluetooth and device compatibility can significantly impact touch control performance. Start by ensuring your Sony WF earbuds are properly paired with your device. For optimal stability, use Bluetooth 5.3 or later on Android devices and iOS version 18 or later. These newer versions provide improved connectivity that can resolve touch control issues. If pairing issues persist, try unpairing and repairing your earbuds. First, access your device's Bluetooth settings. Next, select your Sony WF earbuds from the paired devices list and choose to forget or unpair them. Finally, put your earbuds into pairing mode and reconnect them to your device through the Bluetooth settings. To isolate whether the issue is specific to your current device, test the earbuds with a different phone or tablet. Environmental factors play a significant role in the performance of your Sony WF earbuds touch controls. Avoid prolonged exposure to water, even if your earbuds have an IPX4 water resistance rating. Moisture can seep in and damage the capacitive sensors that detect your touch commands. Moisture damage is one of the most common causes of touch control failure. When water enters the earbuds, it can corrode the internal components and interfere with the electrical signals that power the touch sensors. If your earbuds do get wet, it's crucial to dry them thoroughly. Place them in a dry, well-ventilated area and allow them to air dry for at least 24 hours. Avoid using heat sources like hair dryers, as excessive heat can damage the electronics. To prevent environmental damage, always store your earbuds in their protective case when not in use. The case shields them from dust particles that could clog the touch sensors and from physical impacts that might crack the casing. Newer Sony WF models feature AI-enhanced touch controls that adapt to your usage patterns. These intelligent systems learn how you interact with the earbuds and automatically adjust sensitivity to minimize accidental touches or unresponsiveness during activities. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps resolve your Sony WF earbud touch control issues, the touch sensors may be physically damaged. In this case, consider contacting Sony support directly for professional repair options. Sony's customer support can assess the damage and provide repair services. Reach out through their official website or app for guidance on warranty coverage and repair costs. For older models, such as the WF-1000XM3, professional repairs might not be cost-effective due to discontinued parts or labor costs. Instead, consider upgrading to a newer model like the W1000XM6, which offers more reliable touch controls, enhanced features, and better overall performance. By systematically working through these troubleshooting steps from basic checks to professional help, you can effectively resolve most touch control issues with your Sony WF earbuds.